Okay, so today I want to do a recap of my previous week performance. So I had a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades where 5 was win, 2 break even, and 3 losses. Slightly better, but I'm still not happy. I'm not happy how I execute the market. It's still my mental state is not 100%. My daily routine is broke, so it's affecting me. I should be passing the challenge, but I still didn't pass. So due to doing stupid stuff. So hopefully next week will be better. But anyway, let's start it. So trade number one. This is the loss. So I see now we had a breakout structure here. So after the pullback, we create nice engulfing. So I was just looking for a quick short. And like we see, it will play out. But the market create the top wick. I put the stop loss above the top wick. We go down a little bit. Then we go up again, stop me out. And then we went down to my TP. Quick loss. But it was good trade. On a higher time frame, in the 30-minute, we had a beautiful candle for shorts. Let's see, 1 hour. 1 hour was a little bit dodgy. It was more for buys than for sells. So not the best. 1 hour and 4 hour. 4 hour pretty good for sells, I would say. Another trade. New York session. So we broke out from this range with very strong bearish momentum. I was risking on that trade because I didn't use the stop loss, because the market was so volatile. It was jumping up and down. So I decided to just take a risk. If I blow the account, I blow the account. I fully accepted. So it was small trade, quick scalp. You can see on my charts how it play out. Win-win, good trade, I would say. I know it was risky and I could lose it, but fully accepted. So let's see other time frames. Yeah, so other time frames, I was expecting that wick fail. Yeah, everything was extremely bearish after this huge move. And then we grabbed the liquidity here. So I was expecting to go fill this wicks in the next few hours. Another trade loss. That was very good trade. So this trade was anticipation me. We're gonna break through all them resistance here, or support. Sorry, support. So I was just have a traditional breakout on this small support here. We break out, but my stop loss was too tight. I should put back the stop loss back into the range. So this was my mistake, 100%. But this should be win, 100%. This should be win, because this was a very good trade in my opinion, and all time frames was pointing down with momentum. Maybe that dodgy wasn't the best here, but the rest of it on a lower time frame was just showing me we going lower. Yeah, see, 4 hour, everything was just going probably fill this gap in here. Another trade. Oh yes, so I just entered the same trade because I was so confident, and I just grabbed the bigger position. So same trade, just better execution and more awareness. And another one. So this trade on Nasdaq, we broke out from the support. Like you see, we attacked this support good couple times, and whenever we broke, I was very confident on that trade. Especially, it's printed very nice retest. So the first price just straight up go up, straight away go up. So I could put my stop loss back into the range. Very nice stop loss, and then we just do the quick stab. I really like that trade. I was very confident on it. So and because we go straight away up, create the how we call it, retest, and there was no bottom wick, I was really confident we're gonna just shoot down. It was very quick trade, very good trade. Another loss. Yeah, so that was T2 setup. That wasn't really a good setup. Looking now, the red candle should be engulf the previous candle, at least engulf the body. I get FOMO in here. Yeah, not good trade. Shouldn't be taken. And the loss 800 is reflecting this. Dodgy candles on 30-minute. Very bad trade. I really don't like it. I didn't pay attention to the higher time frames. Yeah, the 1 hour looks pretty good, but if I would wait for another 8 minutes, it would have a closure in 1 hour. And I think after the market melted until this week, so I probably got better opportunity to entry, better setup. Loss is loss. Break even. Yes. This again, we T2, we engulfed the previous candle, and we had pretty bearish structure. So we grab this highs, and then we start going down. But this candle should be stronger. I would prefer if this candle would be engulfed with the body. But generally it was good trade. I think I got stop out and the market just melted. Maybe not the cleanest, but I think idea was good, structure was good. Let's see what does higher time frame say. Higher time frames dodgy here. Not bad. I think I was this trade was more based on the structure than on really entry opportunity. As you see, the higher time frames, not the cleanest. Yeah, and here was more like we're going to go up. Yeah, we react from this. Okay, but another trade. This was trade when I anticipated we're gonna go lower. So we broke out from this small support here, and we are very bearish all day. We were very bearish on gold. There was like bearish news, so I was really anticipated we're just gonna smash all the supports and we're gonna go lower to at least fill this week, and this what happened. That was very good position, very good trade. Maybe it's not looked that clean. The entry probably would be better if I would took somewhere up there, but I think that day I was really sync with the market. I see what happened. Every previous thought was playing out, so I just enter and pay off on the higher time frame. We had a 30-minute closure, so I really like it, and I really like this week, extremely like this week. So yeah, maybe it's not the cleanest setup, but pay out very well. And then after we just melted and grabbed this, all them, filled them wicks. Yeah, I seen this two equal lows, so I was set my full TP on them equal lows. But I think after we just fully melted, but I think it was good trade. Even the money say it was like 1 to 3.2, so very good trade. Here, classic breakout. I really like this trade. It was straight on the Asia session. On Friday, day before, I think, Friday, week before, this didn't play out. But in here, I think it was just a nice trade, very quick trade. I really like that one. I fill it straight away. We had a 15-minute and 30-minute closure below the support. So I just grabbed the quick stab, quick TP. I could risk more for this trade, but I didn't. So another trade, loss. Yes, so this T2, it was pretty good setup, but the bearish momentum was too strong. I haven't enough retest. I would love probably if the wick go somewhere here close to that support and then start going back up. So it was a little bit out of FOMO, but the main idea is this bearish momentum was way too strong to get up. And after I think we melted, so not good trade. I see the higher time frames. Yeah, higher time frames, very bearish, which printing lower lows. We broke structures. I think I was anticipating we're just gonna bounce from this level, but didn't happen. So let's see higher time frames. Yeah, I seen this weak rejection, so I was expecting we're gonna go a little bit higher. If you can see screaming, that's my child. And here, oh, I got break even. So yeah, I think that was good trade. If I wouldn't move my stop loss to break even, or at least if I would take the profits on the 80%, somewhere here, it will be at least bigger win, because after we just went up. So it was the same trade like a previous one, loss, but I noticed we're just going up. this candle stopped me up on the previous trade. So we built some structure here, and then we broke out with this candle, and I enter on a break of this highs a little bit higher. So it was very good trade. If I will enter here, it will be probably TP, but I think the market slept me, so I didn't take a profits. Payout okay. So that's my uh, performance from this week. I already had another week, but I haven't time to do the review of my trades because the situation at home. So yeah, we can clearly see how psychology affecting me, because like I have 3 kids. All 3 kids are sick at the moment. I was in the best condition because of my rib. I also had a terrible rash where I was itchy for many days until the drugs start working and all medicines start working, which I'm almost fully recovered now. So I know the next week wasn't also the best performance, but I start getting back to my mental state. I observing my emotion. I observing myself. I back into my routine, and lack of sleep also is showing up. But hopefully this week will be better, and I will be more focused, and I have a better performance. Okay, so thank you, and see you soon. And subscribe and follow if you want to see if I can get a payout from these challenges.